I'm scared. Number 7, right?
Yeah. No, one of those is for you.
How scared?
No, one of those is for you.
It's salty. That's it.
Go ahead, try one.
No, it's really good.
Here, hold on.
I'm scared though. Just eat it all?
Yeah. It's fish eggs. Are they all poppy in your mouth?
Yeah.
Just, oh, I know.
Like that 100 that was falling in straight. So stoked. B-series, dude. Doing B-series things.
Ron's tees on that look good. Alright guys, so we're out here at Doghouse Garage. This is just the side lot. And we got another side lot over here, and that's before we even get to the main thing over here. So I'm gonna run through. I'm gonna show you guys what they got going on today. I hope y'all enjoy it. Let me know what you think. Drop those comments below, and I'm gonna get right at it. Alright. Oh, that's what I need right there. If anybody has a CRX, that's what I need. I mean, I'll take the red one too, but I'm looking for a CRX so bad. Look at this white one. It looks all stock, lowered on some stock wheels. It's got the little Euro wing on the back. Ah. Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, that looks good already, just how it is.
Yeah.
But like in photos, you just... Yeah. Dude, I wouldn't like... Dude, this is my first car.
I miss the B series.
Me too. Stupid that this is more expensive than K swapping.
I know.
Isn't that funny?
I really like, I got nothing against the K because I know it's good for what it is, but like I miss a B series, and I miss a ITB B series, man. Like they sound so good. B16B?
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah. Nah, that's cool. He got some good money in that. B16B on the spoons. Everybody hated the Midori when it first came out. Everybody hated the Midori green color and just made fun of it. Like just made fun of it. Now, like, oh, that's funny. Nah, it's good. I like the color.
to my right. I'm close to secure.
So look what we got tucked in the back. I find a 32 everywhere I go. Got a nice little 32 tucked in the back. Looks pretty clean. That's you right there.
I dumped the wheels.
That's you. That's all you.
I know that's period correct.
So many good cars today. All right, so we finally moved away from the music over over at the main entry over there. They've got the music playing. So we're walking through all the side lots now. There's so many cars here. Like last time we were out here, there was only a handful. Oh, okay, we'll go this way because there's a bunch of cars. But yeah, like everywhere we go, like it's just every side lot they got it full.
Reps?
He always teases them about having reps.
That was just at the meet.
Yeah, I mean from spot to spot. Like there's a lot of good cars. So I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna show you guys what's here. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think. You got the chromed valve cover. I mean, so much stuff. Anyways, we're at Doghouse Garage doing one of their open houses. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna keep running. You guys let me know what you think. All right. Just in case anybody needs to know, okay? All he needs for meat.
It's free coffee and donuts. They had it.
It's free coffee and donuts.
And
he's like, I'm there. Free coffee and donuts. I'm there.
They're early. Dude, look at that clean 0506. That was the one from the meet.
I know, right?
That's good.
Oh yeah.
The homies DC2.
Backyard.
I know. Backyard is special.
Yeah. It looks cool.
I like it. I like the wheels.
Swan neck, the whole thing.
Yeah.
I mean,
I haven't even gone over here.
it's race prepped. It's the way it's supposed to be.
DAs from that meet.
Oh yeah.
There they are, bro.
We just saw all these guys. His right-hand drive one's nice. Actually, it's the whole group because all the DAs.
Yeah. That's that same group.
Yeah.
Wagon.
Cool. Yeah, let's walk over there. Let's see. We got a couple really clean ones. The S2K full race prep, like full.
Yeah. This is my buddy's right here, the DC2 though.
Is it? Oh yeah.
He lives over there in Redland. Can't
Dude,
go down.
this is nice.
It's so clean.
It's really well done.
What is that S2K? That's Tony.
So you get the
Jackson's
M3.
46 M3. He trucks the shit out of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The S2K looks good. This one does too. I like the bronze. The bronze fits it really well. And it's got the covers instead of the fogs in it.
Yeah.
It gives it a whole different look for the front bumper.
See that, huh?
Yeah.
Have the lights.
They always have the lights. A bunch of S2Ks over here. You know what? I'm on those Advans over the TEs. That's it. Yeah, there's so many cars here. We got all the DAs parking down here. Got a EG creeping on me right here. We're gonna scope these guys out. It's on the Mugen. Which Mugens are those? M7s, M9s, M10s, M12 and a half? I don't remember. Like, I know, right? Just.
Oh, there you are.
quick. They